Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, your email address, password, and whether your provider uses a map, POP, or exchange. That determines settings later. Once ready, make sure your iPhone is on Wi-Fi and running the latest iOS so settings download reliably. Now open Settings, tap Mail, then Accounts, and choose Add Account. Select your provider if listed, otherwise tap Other. This first actionable step creates a secure channel where Mail can fetch messages, folders, and sync settings automatically. Next, you'll enter account information, your display name, full email address, and password, plus a description so you can identify the account. If the provider appears, Mail usually configures servers for you. If not, choose Other and add a map or POP incoming server details plus SMTP outgoing server info. Use provider host names, ports, and SSL settings. Once validated, enable the Mail toggle and pick which folders to sync. These middle steps ensure proper folder mapping and secure sending, so messages appear and transmit correctly. Finally, open Mail and confirm messages populate the inbox, and that sent mail appears after you send a test. If Mail shows authentication or connection errors, recheck the server host names, port numbers, SSL/TLS requirement, and your password. Small typos are common. Make sure two-factor authentication isn't blocking sign-in. Use an app password if required. If problems persist, restart Mail or the iPhone, and as a last resort, remove and re-add the account. That usually clears links.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.